Yes, just to inform the others who they are all absent, who they are all irregular. Only 14 students are there. I have informed the 14 students. What about the remaining? What about remaining 50 and all? Okay. God only knows about them. Yes. Write this question. An electron is moving with a speed of with a speed of 0.85 c in a direction opposite to that of a moving photon. Full stop. Calculate the relative velocity of the electron no calculate the relative velocity of the electron with respect to the photon. With respect to the photon. That is the question. Yes, an electron is moving. An electron is moving with a speed of, means relative velocity addition theorem is there now. We are supposed to use the velocity addition theorem. Use the velocity addition theorem. U is equal to how much? 0.85 c. In a direction opposite to that, it is moving. Okay. V is equal to minus c. Opposite to that of a moving photon. I hope you have understood about that. If this is a particle which is moving with a velocity is equal to 0.85 c. This is moving, this is a photon moving like this with a velocity c. These two are oppositely directed to each other. Okay. Calculate the relative velocity. Relative velocity is equal to how much? Relative velocity is equal to u dash, formula I am writing, u minus v divided by 1 minus uv by c square. Substitution you are supposed to do. U dash is equal to u value 0.85 c minus v minus of minus c divided by 1 minus u value 0.85 c, okay, into v value minus c divided by c square. That is equal to 0.85 c plus c 1 plus 0.85 c square get cancelled. So therefore u dash is equal to, here C common factor, here and here, 0.85, otherwise 1 plus, directly we can write 1.85 C directly. This is 1.85. Get cancelled. This implies u dash is equal to C. Okay, that is the answer. Next question. Two photons capital A and B are moving in opposite directions. In opposite directions, each with a speed c. Calculate the relative velocity of the photon A with respect to the photon B. With respect to the photon B. Okay, data we are supposed to write. Let me write the data here using these concepts here. Moving in opposite directions. So here u is equal to, let me consider that one as V. Let me choose. And V is equal to minus C, because they are moving in opposite directions. So the two bodies, this is moving with a velocity V, another body moving with a velocity minus C in opposite directions. Calculate the relative velocity of these two. So relative velocity is equal to formula u dash is equal to u minus V divided by 1 minus uv divided by c square. Substitute. Get the answer. Put wherever u is there, you have to put V. Or two photons, he said. I'm sorry. Two photons. Two photons means this must be equal to C. Velocity of the photon. Velocity of the photon is C. Two photons he has mentioned. One is capital, plus C and minus C. Yes, this value is equal to u dash. U is equal to C minus V is equal to minus of C 1 minus U, that is C, V is minus C divided by C square. So this is C plus C, 1 plus C square divided by C square. So you will be getting 2C here divided by 1. Is it correct? This is 1 plus 1. So So therefore it is equal to 2c divided by 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, get cancelled. You will be getting the answer is equal to c. Right? Next question. After solving like this so many number of problems, you should not leave out the problems. Two spaceships A and B are moving in opposite directions. Each with a speed of 0.9 c. Full stop. Calculate the relative velocity of B with respect to A. With respect to A. Yes, what are the data are given here? Two spaceships A and B are moving in opposite directions. There are two spaceships here, one spaceship, another spaceship. They are moving in opposite direction with a speed of 0.9 c. This is moving like this with a speed of 0.9 c. This is moving like this with a speed of 0.9 c. So with a negative sign here. Okay, therefore, given idea, u is equal to 0.9 c. V is equal to, you take the theory portion and see that what is that u, what is that v, you will come to know that. Minus 0.9 c. Relative velocity we are supposed to calculate. Relative velocity formula, u dash is equal to u minus v divided by 1 minus uv divided by c square. Substitute and get the answer quickly. You do it. I will not do that. You are supposed to do it. Okay, got the answer? Have you got it? How much, Basuraj? Sharath, point. I have not read, not seen it properly. 9.4. No. Pranav, it's wrong. Stephen, it's wrong. Who am I? It's right. Why it is C? Isn't our C get cancelled? Vinuta, why you are getting C? Sharath, are you getting C? Are you getting C here? Yes, sir. Okay, let me see that then. Okay, U is 0.9 C minus V is 0.9 C. Okay, 1 minus U value 0.9 C. This V value minus 0.9 C divided by C square. That is 0.9 C plus 0.9 C. Sharath, get ready. Get ready. Okay. Minus into minus plus 0.9 square into C square divided by C square. Yes, you are getting C. Yes. U dash is equal to, this is 1.8, correct? C 1 plus the C square get cancelled here. 1 plus this is 9 nines, this is 0.81. That is 1.8. Is that right? Divided by this is 1.81. This is C. Right? Thank you. It's right. So division 0.99 something. Yes, any one of you show it. Any one of you just to type the answer, just to divide this. 0.99448. 99448 multiplied by C. Okay, thank you. So these are right answer. Okay, Sharath is right. 25th. 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 A clock keeps correct time with a clock keeps correct time, full stop. With what speed? With what speed should it move relative to an observer so that it may lose, so that it may seem to lose? Five minutes in one day. Do it. Okay, are you doing the problem now? A clock keeps the correct time. With what speed should it move? With what speed should it move? Velocity we are supposed to calculate. One day it is losing 5 minutes. Okay, one day it is losing is 5 minutes. Therefore, T naught is equal to 1 day. That is equal to 24 hours. That is equal to 24 into 60 minutes. Right. So therefore, T naught is equal to how much it is? Is it correct? Check it out. So many minutes. So one day it has been converted in the form of minutes. 1440 minutes. Okay, it has lost 5 minutes. Therefore, T is equal to appear time is equal to T naught minus 5. That is equal to T naught is 1440 minus 5. That is 1435. So many minutes. Okay, formula, which is a constant formula, T is equal to T naught divided by square root of 1 minus V square divided by C square. I want to calculate V. V is to be determined. So therefore, T by T naught is equal to how much? T by T naught. I will take this one to the denominator of this. Okay. T by T naught is equal to 1 divided by square root of, clear? Have understood about this? You see that if I'm taking this one to here, T by T naught is equal to 1 divided by root of 1 minus V square by C square. Yes. Now I will take the reciprocal here. If I'm taking the reciprocal, we are going to get 1 minus V square divided by C square T divided by T naught. Squaring on both the sides. Do it. Otherwise, first you calculate T by T naught is how much, then you can take the square, no problem. 1 minus V square divided by C square is equal to T by T naught, that's square. Okay. So here 1 minus V square divided by C square T by T naught. T, it was 1435. This is how much? 1440. That's square. Yes, one of you do this calculation. 1 minus 0.99307. Okay, 0.99307. Is it, check it up whether it is right or wrong. So therefore, minus v square divided by c square is equal to, taken to the other side, minus 1. Okay. V square by c square is equal to 1 minus 0.99307. Therefore, v square is equal to, subtract this, write it, v is equal to square root of this into c. That number multiplied by 3 into 10 to the power 8.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can you reply the formula? Can you? Sir, t by t naught is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus v square divided by c square, sir. The
formula?
Sir, which one you are doing now? Sir, it has to be t naught by t. In next page, sir.
Next page. It is t by t naught is here. T by
sir,
t naught.
Yes,
oh,
sir.
Here it is. Reciprocal, if you are choosing, it is t naught divided by t. Oh, thank you. This is t naught divided by t. Then it must be t naught divided by t here. This is t naught, this is t. Okay, here it is also ulta, that is 1 minus v square divided by c square. Okay, t naught is divided by 1435. That's square. Okay, yes, right. Now how much you are getting? You will get 1 point something then. Is right now? Is right? How much is this? 1440 divided by 1435.
1.00698.
1.00698. Okay. Yes, how much you are getting? Velocity cannot be negative. In spite of that, no problem. You write it, whatever you are getting. How much? 0.00968. Right? Square root of this. Square root of this. Answer. Point 0.8355. The square root 0.8355. I don't know. You are showing, therefore I am writing. Is it correct? You just check it out. Square root of this 0.00698. Is it that? Is it a correct answer? Check it out. Shall I do it? Point 00698 square root 698. 0.083 is coming. 0.083. 8354. Yes. Into 3. 0.250 something. 10 to the power 8 meter per second. If you are getting a negative sign, velocity cannot be negative. It is moving in the opposite direction to the earth. That is the meaning, nothing else. Okay, sir, here it is minus, sir. Therefore, we are supposed to get here it is a negative sign. Okay, here we will get a negative sign here. Everywhere we will get a negative sign. No problem, you can write. Negative sign indicating it is moving away from the earth. That's all. The velocity cannot be negative. It's all depending upon the other observer, where he is present. So about him, how it is moving. The direction by which the second body is moving, that is represented by this negative symbol, nothing else. Okay, yes, today's last problem, you do it. You do it. A clock keeps correct time. With what speed? Same type of question. Should it move to an observer so that it may seem to lose 4 minutes in 24 hours? Slowly you have to do it. Don't make any mistakes while doing the calculation. Slowly you write all the steps. Got the answer? Okay, I will ask you. By that time, you get ready. Yes, got the answer. Now we can show the answer now. Point 222 something 224. 10 to the power, how much, Rego?
10 to the power 8, sir.
10 to the power 8. 222 we are getting, I think it's so. See that?
Sir, 0.22410.
0.22. You are not getting the
No,
third
sir.
decimal point as 2?
No, sir. Third decimal is 4.
4. Others, you check it up. Previous step, you see that? 224, 224, okay. Yes, right, okay. So 0.224. Okay, this is the answer you are supposed to get. Check it up. So next class that I will take up some other problems, not the relativity. Relativity, it is enough. 26, 27 problems are finished. You go through the remaining problems if you require. Okay. So other chapter problems that I will going to start in the next class. Okay. Any doubt?